If you're planning a trip up to the Cape, you need to be prepared for just about anything, especially the weather.
Bramwell Roadhouse is our next stop, and this is where the infamous old Telegraph Track begins. Good to go?
Good to go. Hey Macca, you got a copy?
Yeah, I got a copy.
You know that corrugation we just came over? It was hideous, but I thought I'd just pull over and check inside the caravan.
And it's also a good spot to stop for fuel and a few snacks for the road. There you go, the turn off to the old Telegraph Track. That's where all the big boys with the big toys go. Years ago I'd have gone down there, but these days on What's Up Down Under, nah, we like to keep our hands a little bit cleaner. Our poor cousins over at the Off-Road Adventure Show, they go down there and give the ego a run, but not me. I'm going up the main drag. I might go and get myself a latte for the road. Our plans to head for Fruitbat Falls for lunch. It's an idyllic little waterfall, but Mother Nature had a waterfall of her own for us, and it's a little sooner than we thought.
Well, Macca, I've got to say, I'm just loving a bit of this rain today.
She put a road in, she called it the PDR, and she wrote the song. It's titled PDR. Never been released. I've got a copy of it, but yeah, one day I'll let it out.
I'm loving the mud on the caravan because when I take it back to Townsville, back to Ezytrail, they'll know exactly where I've been, and that's far north Queensland. I've been to the Cape.